In the previous video, we already learned the concept of port security. The summary is, port security is used to securing switch interfaces. So, if one day there is hackers unplug the cable and connecting the cable to their computer, the switch interface should be blocked, so the hackers cannot send any packet to anywhere. In this video, we are going to practice about port security. Let's just start. Open the switch, go to CLI, enable, configure terminal. Next, let's go to the interface connected to the server 1. In this case, fast Ethernet 0/1. We will configure port security on fast Ethernet 0/1 first. Here, interface fast Ethernet 0/1. To configure port security, we need to change the mode to access first, because by default, the mode on the switch is dynamic auto. Let's check it. Do show interface fast Ethernet 0/1 switch port. Here we can see that the administrative mode is dynamic auto. And remember that we need to change the mode to access first before configuring port security. So here, switch port mode access. Okay, next, to activate port security, the command is switch port security like this. Remember that this command is used to activate port security in this interface. Next, we need to register the MAC address of the server 1. Go to server 1, config section, and then go to fast Ethernet 0. Here we can see a MAC address. Let's copy this. Back to the switch, and then let's register the MAC address of server 1. The command is switch port security MAC address, and then paste the MAC address of server 1. Okay, so now the server or computer that allowed to connect to fast Ethernet 0/1 is only server 1. This is because we input the MAC address of server 1 here. Next, we need to configure the maximum computer who are allowed to connect to this interface. The command is switch port security maximum 1. This means that only one server or computer who allowed to connect to fast Ethernet 0/1. Last, we need to configure violation. Violation is an action if there is an illegal computer connected to the interface. The command is switch port security violation and then question mark. Here we can see that we have 3 options for violation, which is shutdown, restrict, and protect. In this case, we are going to use shutdown first. We will learn about restrict and protect in the next video. If we use violation shutdown like this, if there is an illegal computer connected to the interface will be automatically shut down. In packet tracer, the light of cable will become red. Okay, now we have done configuring port security on fast Ethernet 0/1. I think enough for this video. In the next video, we are going to test our port security configuration. Thank you for watching and see you at the next video.